pretend. I know you're not a fool. I shouldn't dance again. Making this dance even. So I'm waiting.
Sumablay pa ng konto.
Practice lang naman yan eh. Next time. Tapos na tayo sa garbage. Yes! Almost see it. The demon in it. There's a voice inside of my head that you'll never reaching. Every step I'm taking, every move I'm making, every move I'm taking, lost in one direction, and my faith is shaking. That I gotta keep trying, gotta keep my head high. There's a voice inside me. Wanna make it. Oh, so when I feel better.
8:59.
In a better
Yun.
in a better feeling when you're this side. It's a climb. And the struggles are facing, the chances I'm taking. You're someone not breaking. I'm gonna know it, but it's the moment that I'm going through. Just gonna keep going and I got this strong. Just keep pushing up. Cause there's gonna be another mountain. I'm gonna make it move. It's gonna be an uphill battle. Some pushing have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about the feeling you're just side. It's a Buloy, naalala mo pa ba nung ako kasama? Hoy, hoy, Buloy.
Wala mo kasi DJ.
Naalala mo pa ba nung ako sinabi? Hoy, ba? Ang sabi mo sa lahat ng problema ay kaya mo tasan. Basta't tayo'y magkasama at nakinuman. Hoy, hoy, Buloy, naalala mo pa ba? Hoy, nag-kick out daw ako'y tanga. Hoy, hoy, Buloy, naalala mo pa ba nung ako ay okay lang yan. Basta't magkasama inuman. I love it. Yee! Dun, 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 dun. Billy daw. Start this hot when keep along and keep along under the P+. Sige, Pastor Dan, and you can say sabotage. I never saw it coming, nor did it second it. Underestimated Joshua was still in witch. She had to know the pain was bleeding on it like a drum. She underestimated that she was still in prom. She's not a saint and she's not what you think. She's an actress, oh, oh. She's better known for the things that she does on her mattress, oh, oh. So she's confined, stealing other people's toys on the playground to make you many friends. She should keep in mind, there is nothing I do better than revenge. So another thing to you, the roller should tell you might have been bad. Haven't you heard? I'm just another thing to you, the roller should tell you might have been bad. Always get the last. She's not a saint and she's not what you think. She's an actress, oh, oh. She's better known for the things that she does on her mattress.